Jesse. And then it's backup dancer, we have Joel, Justin, and Greg. So before the performance, let's just give them a warm applause. Thank you very much. Okay, first performer we have... Okay, first we have Justin doing the sayaw ng unggoy or... first that's what they call the tutubi dance or the dragonfly dance. So this is their own way to forecast the weather, guys. So these artists believe that if you see some dragonflies that keep on dancing or doing some acrobats in the air, that means there's a big typhoon upcoming. This is the only way for them to forecast or to know the weather by relying more on the movement of animals and insects. So once again, Justin is doing now the sayaw ng tutubi or the dragonfly dance. Okay, thank you very much. So next performer we have Joel and is going to do the sayaw ng unggoy, the monkey dance or the hunting dance. Alright, so this is also another way for them to hunt their food in the wild. And since the items live inside the jungle, so they're really fun with the monkeys. There you go.
Oh! Kaya pala madulas na.
Okay, thank you very
Kaya
much.
sabi ko, kailangan yung ulo.
Alright, so for the last dance is this one they call the Pagbabayani or War Dance to be danced by Greg and Justin. And so this is another way for them to defend their own tribes against the other tribes by performing this gesture, which is what they call the Pagbabayani or War Dance. And also another way for them to actually guide us from their gods, the mga Pagbabayani. So watch out with the arrow, guys. After the performance, you can have a similar photo with this item.
Oh!
Okay, so once again, that's the end of the show. A short show for your group. If you want to see them again performing, they're actually having a series of mall shows in Pampanga and also in
Oh!
and this is a whole week, so every day we have an animal parade show. So we're going to see them once again going back here this coming for this whole week, I mean. Alright, so once again, thank you very much for watching this items here performing in front of you. Now for our last two attractions for my group, now they're going to the Hip Hop Bayawak and the Crocodile.